and today we are going to be jumping into the American festivities. I know the 4th of July is over, but it's still the month of July, so it still counts as a patriotic tribute to the 4th of July. Is that a thing? It is now. Alright, so we are going to be learning to play the Star Spangled Banner, and no, you won't be able to play it during the 4th of July this year because 4th of July is already over. But you will be prepared for next year, my friend. You will be very prepared. Alright, so go ahead, grab your guitar. Mine is over here. I've got my guitar right here. All you're going to need is your guitar and your guitar pick, or really long fingernails, if you have them. I just think it's kind of gross to play with long fingernails, so I use a pick. But you could use whatever you want, my friend. You do you. The chords you're going to need to play the Star Spangled Banner are G, C, D, E minor, A7, and Dsus. The strums that you're going to be using for this song go like this. The first one is down, down, up, down, up. And then the second one is down, down, up. And then there might also be some downstrokes in there. I can't remember. Now you're gonna notice that when you're playing through the song, you're going to see that some of the chords have like a slash mark or some kind of symbol next to it. Those represent the different strums that you're gonna be doing, okay? So I'm gonna have like a little thing right here. So to tell you kind of like a slash marks means this strum or like all these different things. So that way, you know, you're not confused when we're playing through the song. Alrighty, now let's jump right into the song. I'm gonna go ahead and play through it one time, and then we'll go back and slow it down just a little bit. Alright, here we go. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that Star Spangled Banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave. Okay, so that is a quick little run through of the song. Now I'm gonna go ahead and slow it down just a little bit for you, just so you can really hear like what different strums I'm doing. I'm gonna break it down so whenever I switch into a strum, I'm gonna show you so that way you don't get lost or confused. Alright, so here we go. So you're starting off with your down, down, up strum, okay? So you're starting with your G chord, okay? So, oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light? Do you hear that? You switched into a different strum there. So, dawn's early light, dawn's early light. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Ready? Let's do that again. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light? You got it? Let's do it one more time. Okay, here we go. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light? then you're gonna go straight back into your down, down, up strum. Okay, so here we go. Let's do those first two lines. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming? Now that we've run through the first few lines of the song and you're a little more comfortable with switching from your down, down, up to your down, down, up strum, now we're gonna run through the entire song. I'm going to go very, very slow so that way you can keep up with me. And then we'll speed it up at the end, later, when we go back over it again. So here we go. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave. All right, you know what? You know what I think? I think you're ready. Yeah, you right there watching this video, you my friend, are ready. Alrighty, everyone, suit up. Ugh. Americans, assemble. You know what? I can't see what I'm doing, so this is just gonna have to do. How do I look? There. I may be super, but I'm also blind. I look like an idiot. Oh, I'm gonna regret this later. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave? Well, that was it for this tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed it. And if you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more entertaining tutorials. Yes, that's what we provide here on this channel. Quality content. Alright, well I will see you next time. Bye! I wish I had a shield to like throw at you. Let's see, do I have... I missed. I'm not cut out for this. I give up.